The day before, another natural disaster struck the United States. This time, the trouble came to 7 states of the Midwest and south of the United States, to Colorado, Kansas, Iowa, Nebraska. There was a devastating hurricane, sandstorm, tornado. All this was accompanied by heavy rain. The wind speed reached 107 miles per hour, blowing away everything in its path. There were massive power outages, many trees were broken, cars were damaged, roofs were torn down. I-70 is blocked in both directions from the Colorado state line to Salina due to poor visibility and traffic accidents. Many other roads were also blocked, flights were delayed at airports, schools and other government agencies were closed. Iowa was hit by a terrible tornado, which brought numerous destruction, causing great material damage. Experts associate atypical natural phenomena with climate change. According to climatologists, global warming will further negatively affect the weather around the world.